Hey guys, I'm here right now in Planet Fitness and I'm here with Vanessa and Van, and I want to ask them, if you're a foreigner and you're visiting Washington State, what are the 5 favorite places that you want to visit? And for Vanessa?
Well, the Space Needle, Pike's Place, and definitely Planet Fitness.
And you, Van?
Probably like Mount Rainier and all the trails that we have to offer here in Washington State. And obviously, Planet Fitness.
She mentioned Planet Fitness, but which one is the 5th?
Probably
A few moments later.
Coulon Park.
There you go. Well, I really appreciate, guys.
Yeah, no
Thank
problem.
you so much. And is it okay to post this video?
Yeah, of course. Perfect.
Okay mga Lodi, as Van said, it's gonna be Coulon Beach Park for the 5th. So we're gonna be going there. Stay tuned. Right now I'm gonna be driving. Seatbelt mga busing is standard. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-drive na walang seatbelt. Kung hindi, mayroong jet ejector dyan, baka ma-eject ka. Joke lang. Ang hindi joke mga busing is siguradong ma-pull over ka ng pulis kapag nakitang wala kang seatbelt. Oh no! So this is a typical place in the US mga Lodi. Kasi dito sa US mga Lodi, may diferensya konti pero everything is standard. So basically kung ano yung makikita mo, yung pavement, yung road, yung sign, everything is standard. So kahit anong state, everything is standard. So may pagkakaiba pero more or less they are more the same than difference. Yung park na pupuntahan natin mga Lodi is called Coulon Beach Park. Lake Washington Park nearby. So the view is very nice mga Lodi. I promise you, you will enjoy it. So right now mga Lodi, sunny at 43 Fahrenheit. I don't know in Celsius. New na lang mga Lodi. You can see an Idaho plate number here mga Lodi. So yung pinagkakaiba din mga Lodi in terms of plate number, each state has its own plate number. So gaya niyan, Idaho yung plate number, pero usually yung makikita mo dito kasi nasa Washington State tayo is Washington plate number. So itong Idaho is neighboring state. So around like 5 to 6 hours drive yung Idaho. So it's arrow red light, pero dito pwede ka mag-drive. Nandito na tayo idol. Ang ganda ng boat. Pwede kang mag-date-date dyan. Isama mo yung future girlfriend mo. Kapag hindi ka sagutin, may tubig. Joke lang mga idol. Huwag mong itulak ha. Hindi maganda yun. yung view, idol. Mapa-wow ka talaga sa ganda. Pwedeng mag-relax dito, idol. Magdala ka ng books o di kaya pwede din magtrabaho dito kung gusto mo. Kaso ang ginaw. Huwag mo lang dalhin yung girlfriend mong mahilig sa shopping, mga idol. Kasi mall yung gusto niya, hindi nature. Maraming upuan dito, mga idol. Pwede mong isama yung asawa mo or asawa ng kapitbahay nyo. It doesn't matter, mga idol. Sarap magyakapan dito, mga idol. Kasi ang lamig. Yan yung RV ko, mga idol. Woo! Beautiful, right? Okay, let's go. Kalibangon na kaayaw ko, mga idol. Kaya pinas forward ko na lang. I need to get to the restroom as quickly as possible, mga idol. Habit ng lumabas. Nakaabot pa tayo sa fall, mga idol. Kaya yung mga dahon is color yellow at saka orange. Ang ganda. Mas maganda pa kaysa, you know. Hey, how you doing?
Good, yourself?
Good, thank you. Somebody installing a Christmas light. So here's the restroom, mga lodis. Do my own business first, and let's continue the touring. There you go. Tapos na ko mag-CR, mga lodis. So let's continue the tour. Kung meron kang boat, mga lodi, this is where you park your boat. And you park your boat, that's the entrance, as you can see over there. Yan yung entrance. So ito yung Lake Washington, mga lodi. Then there's a restaurant here, there's an iBars, there's another restaurant over there that you can eat. Then after you eat, you just go to your boat and go home, you know. So parang masasabi nyo, these are like rich kids. Hindi yan. That's not true, mga lodi. Like my RV is much expensive than buying a boat here. So this is just American lifestyle, you know, mga lodi. So boat is very accessible. It costs like the same as buying one car. And you don't even have a special license to operate a boat in here, mga lodi. So as long as you have a driver's license, you can operate a boat. So yan yung convenient dito. You can even buy a plane. There's a plane over there if you want to. But of course you need to have a pilot license for that. But for boat, you don't need to. So you just dock here. As you can see, there's a docking station over there. I don't know if you can see this angle. So there's a docking station over there. And that's where the entrance through Lake Washington, you get in, then eat, do whatever you want, relax, enjoy, and after go home with the boat. Ganito mag-unhook ng boat, lodi. So kailangan mo lang ilagay yung boat sa tubig. Just make sure na hindi mo ilagay yung sasakyan mo, yung boat lang. Then pagkatapos i-unhook mo, then you can go with the trailer na, mga lodi. Then papunta ka sa parking lot. Yung parking lot, mga busing, may bayad yun, I think around $30, around 1,500. Then mag-enjoy ka sa Lake Washington. Dito naman mga idol, dito naliligo yung mga tao kasi beyond this, malalim na yung tubig, hindi na pwede maligo. So may lifeguard dito mga idol. Mas maganda pa kaysa Baywatch, napakaputi at makinis, naka-bathing suit. Kapag may asawa ka, magdala ka na lang ng sunglasses, baka sa labas ka matutulog ang utugnaw. Dito sa right side mga bossing is bird sanctuary. Ang raming ducks dito mga bossing at iba't ibang klaseng birds. Gusto ko ngang lutuin kaso hindi pwede, illegal. Dito naman mga bossing is yung playground. Pwede mong pakawalan yung anak mo dito mga bossing para mapagod at saka madaling matulog kapag gabi. Importante yon para may time kayo ni Mrs. Diba? Yung park dito sa North America mga bossing is pare-pareho lang. Nagkakaiba lang sa sizes yung area. Kaya very safe sa mga bata.
Hello mga bossing, pasensya na. Hindi ko yun na-finish yung entire Colon Beach Park. So mga 50% lang siguro, kalahati yung na-cover natin. Kasi ang rami pa. Kung gusto nyong part 2, pwede rin. Pero pasensya na talaga, yun lang yung kaya ng video ko at I have to go. So, kung ako yung papipiliin mga bossing, I still want to have permanent house instead na dito sa van. Pero gusto ko yung malaman yung opinion nyo mga bossing kung alin. Gusto nyo bang mabuhay dito sa van na may freedom na pumunta kahit saan, or gusto mong pumunta lang ng isang location like permanent house location? So lagay nyo yung comment nyo down below yung opinion nyo. Gusto kong malaman. I hope you continue to subscribe and like, and see you on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.